Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the mysterious world of the atom. You might think of atoms as tiny invisible spheres that make up everything around us, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. So, let's break it down. Atoms are made up of three main particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Picture the nucleus of the atom as the core, containing protons and neutrons tightly packed together. Protons carry a positive charge, while neutrons are neutral. This means the nucleus is positively charged overall. Now, surrounding the nucleus are the electrons. These tiny negatively charged particles whiz around the nucleus in what we call electron clouds or orbitals. If you've ever seen a model of an atom, you might imagine electrons following fixed paths like planets around the sun. But in reality, they exist in regions of probability, making their exact locations at any given time a bit of a mystery. Protons and neutrons themselves aren't fundamental particles. They're made up of even smaller particles called quarks, held together by the strong nuclear force. This force is incredibly powerful, overcoming the repulsion between positively charged protons to keep the nucleus intact. But why does all of this matter? Understanding the structure of the atom is crucial because it explains so much about the world around us. For instance, the number of protons in an atom's nucleus determines its element and its position on the periodic table. If you add or remove protons, you're essentially changing the element itself. Electrons, on the other hand, are key players in chemical reactions. When atoms interact, it's the electrons that do most of the work, forming bonds and creating molecules. This is why elements with similar electron configurations often behave similarly in chemical reactions. And let's not forget isotopes. These are variations of elements with the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. Isotopes can be stable or radioactive, leading to applications in medicine, dating ancient artifacts, and even powering spacecraft. So there you have it. Atoms, with their protons, neutrons, and electrons, are the building blocks of everything we know. From the tiniest particles to the vast complexities of chemistry and physics, the study of atoms opens up a universe of knowledge. Thanks for joining me on this atomic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science. Keep exploring, and I'll see you.